We are now looking at 5.2 in this video, and we need to open the FRM 5.2 form. So we're going to go here to the form, double click, and there we go, form is open. It wants us to make changes to the form so that it appears as shown below in your exam. First of all, it says arrange the labels and fields into two columns as shown in the example above. Alright, so if we look carefully at the example above, the first column has got name up to contact with its fields, and then the next three are going here in line with them, and then of course their fields on the side here. So in order to do this, I'm going to go into my layout view. I'm going to go to the package, click on it, then I'm going to hold in control and click on all the boxes I want to move at once. Okay, this here is in the form footer, so don't stress about that for now. And then I'm going to click on this and drag it and move. When I let go of the mouse, you'll see it will jump to place. And then I'm going to use my arrow keys to try and position this as close to what the example looks. Okay, so there we go. That seems about right. Now it says insert the heading customer details in the form header. So over here, we're going to go to our design view, and I'm going to select the writing that's currently there and change it to customer details. Alright, now once that's done, it says fill the labels with grayish color. So here are the labels. If you're not sure which is which, by clicking on this one here, you can see it says name. So that's the actual value for name for that particular record. And if I click on this one, it also says name here, but over here you can see name label. So this is the label. So everything on the left is the label, and everything else on the right is the edit box that contains the actual value. So I'm going to hold the control key in, and I'm going to select all my labels. And once I've selected the labels, I need to make sure that my property sheet is open. If it's not, you go here to the design view and make sure that the sheet is open there. Okay, so it says we need to fill the labels with a grayish color. So if we come here to back color, we can click on this little option here, click on the little three dots, and then look for a gray color that will work. Then it says set the field to bold. Now it wants me to set the field to bold. So now this here is the field. So I click on the first one, then I hold the control in, and I select the rest. Okay, under the home tab here, I've got bold, and then I've set them to bold. Add conditional formatting to the age field to shade the field in red if a subscriber is younger than 30. So if a subscriber is younger than 30, it's going to want this age field here to go red. So I'm going to right click. Let's first select just that one. I'm going to right click on it, and at the bottom here you can see as in Excel it's got conditional formatting. So do we have it here? Click there. There are no rules at the moment. It tells you show formatting rules for age. So we say new rule, field value is between, so we're going to change this to less than, and inside here we're going to type in 30. They're not saying that it needs to be younger or equal to 30, they just say younger than 30, so we say less than 30. Now what we're going to do here with the format is we're going to click here on background color, and we're going to say red. Okay, and okay. So right now nothing looks like it's happened here, but in a short while I'll show you what it looks like. So now it says insert a suitable label for the function in the form footer. So over here at the bottom, here again, it see that is the label, and here's the function that they're talking about. So over here we can see they're calculating if the age is greater than 60, the person will be a pensioner and will stand to gain from a pensioner discount. If they're not 60 or older and they're less than this age, they will not receive a discount. So all they're asking us to do is to place a label inside here. So let's do this. Okay, and now we're going to go into our form view so I can show you what's happened. So over here we've got the gray labels, we've got the bold fields. If I go to the next record, you can see how this stuff changes, and now as soon as the age is below 50, you can see how this box has gone red. And if we keep going, yeah, this person is 61. So remember, this formula was saying if it's greater or equal to 60, they get a discount. So here, are you a pensioner? Yes, they are, so they get a pensioner discount. Alright guys, so that was the form and question 5.2. So you now can save and close the form. Well done.